and I'll just grip it with my plier, and I'm just going to push up into a V shape like that. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to take a dowel, and you can use anything, about 1 inch in diameter. If you have a wooden dowel or a ring mandrel or even a little jar, you can use it. And after the V, whoop, I'm just going to put my wire onto the dowel like this, and have the dowel help me shape the top of the wire. So this is about a 1/2 inch. It could be a little bit more. Maybe from the tip to the jar it's 3/4. And I'll just use my fingers and bring these wires around the dowel until I get a nice kind of ice cream cone shape like this. Okay. And this is about 1 inch across. This now, the pendant will be maybe 1 3/4, maybe 2 inches in total if you count the bail. So once you get a nice shape, you'll make sure that they cross, center to the bottom here. And then, I can either mark that, or I can just hold it with my fingers really secure. And it doesn't have to be super perfect. Just make sure that you're kind of aligned to the center. Hold everything and then just give a squeeze right there at that intersection. And it'll straighten your wires up.